Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 18th July 2025. India's electronics industry has flagged informal trade curbs by China as a serious risk to the country's smartphone export goals, which aim to hit $32 billion this fiscal. In a letter to the government, industry body ICAI warned that China is deploying unnotified but deliberate restrictions on capital equipment, minerals, and technical personnel that are delaying shipments, inflating costs, and undermining India's rise as a global manufacturing hub. The government has appointed Nitin Gupta, former chairman of CBDT, as the chairperson of the National Financial Reporting Authority or NFRA. The post of the NFRA chairperson has been lying vacant after the 3-year tenure of Ajay Bhushan Prasad Pandey ended on March 31st. In April, the government gave the Competition Commission of India Chief Ravneet Kaur the additional charge as the NFRA chairperson. India's office REIT market is experiencing robust growth, driven by strong leasing demand from global capability centers and a preference for institutional grade assets. Office REIT stocks have outperformed the BSE Realty Index, delivering significant capital appreciation. A fourth office REIT is expected to debut by the end of 2025, further expanding the market. High net worth individuals and ultra high net worth individuals in India are increasingly investing in unlisted stocks and global opportunities, driven by greater access to information, wealth generated from ESOPs, and an evolving advisory landscape that caters to their aggressive investment preferences, particularly in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Several platforms such as Incred Money, Shares Cart, and Unlisted Zone offer easy access to trade unlisted securities. Hexaware Technologies has entered into 2 separate share purchase agreements on July 17, 2025 for the acquisition of Tech SMC Square India and Tech SMC Squared GCC India. The acquisition, valued at up to $120 million, will be an all-cash transaction. Within India, the Global Capability Center segment is witnessing exponential growth, with the market projected to exceed $100 billion by 2030. This presents a significant opportunity for Hexaware to expand its footprint and deepen its capabilities in the space. IFC, part of the World Bank Group, is in talks to invest $250 million for a 30% stake in Renew Power's commercial and industry energy unit, valuing the business at around $800 million. The unit supplies renewable power to clients like Amazon and Microsoft. But the deal may be delayed as Renew's top brass focus on delisting their US-listed parent company. The move is part of Renew's broader capital strategy, having already raised $680 million over the past 3 years. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.